Hey there, Bravo here, and today we're looking at the Sales Accounting Report. The Sales Accounting Report showcases a store's sales activities and sales tax collected over a designated date range. This report is a great reference tool that allows us to see sales figures and tax liabilities at a quick glance, so let's jump in. From Bravo's dashboard, navigate to Reports, scroll down to Sales Reports and choose Sales Accounting. Select Preview and enter a date or range of dates. In this example, we're going to keep the dates of July 1st through the 16th. The first page of this report is laid out with a row for each day the store's open for business. The columns across the top include non-taxable and taxable fees, sales, and layaways. The totals for each of these columns are displayed in two ways, vertically across the report here, and then horizontally at the bottom of the page here. Another total displayed in this chart is day. The totals shown under the day column are for the last day in the date range of this report. In this case, it's showing the totals for July 16th. Now let's pause to check out these few asterisk notes on the report that call out exceptions, like how certain fees, restocking charges, or out-of-state taxes are handled. For all the details, check out our Solution Center article on the Sales Accounting Report. The next section of the report shows taxes collected, returns, and any return taxes. So let's take a look at a few things. The tax authority listed is what's configured for your store, and the tax group is what taxable group the transactions belong to. If there's any reason for exemption of sales tax being collected, it will show under the tax exemption reason. Any column shaded in green will revolve around numbers having to do with sales, and any column shaded in red will display numbers having to do with returns. Now, if we look at the values in the total tax amount column, these are the outcome of deducting the return sales tax found here from the sales tax found here. The same would be true for the values in the total tax exempt amount columns. This section also has a total row displaying the sums for each column. Now let's dive into the two tables at the bottom of the report that give you even more details. First up is the rate components table. This breaks down each overall tax rate into individual parts like state, county, local, and even excise tax, depending on how you set up your components. This helps you see exactly how your total sales tax is built. You'll see these components called out clearly in the tax breakdown column. Next, let's take a look at the rate summary table, also referred to as the roll-up table. This one shows a summary of total tax amounts by authority group like the City of Las Vegas, Clark County, or the State of Nevada. It automatically rolls up all the line level taxes into group totals, so you don't have to do any extra math for reporting. That's it. For a detailed description of metrics for this report, please visit our Solution Center and check out the article on the Sales Accounting Report. Thanks and have a great day.